see you, my dear students. We have today the important lesson, but it's not fantastic. This lesson, it's DDT. Yes, I know, it's toxic, it's dangerous, but it's very important in our life. It's a stop now. Yes, let's see how can this occur. Good, and see. DDT. Oh, it's insect. These insects move during the world as mosquitoes. It has a special nerve cell. This nerve cell or neurons must be stopped. It's its wing. Yes, when we use DDT, the DDT move to its wing, to neuron, to its nervous system and kill it directly. Make it for a polio. Yes, rackets can't move. Why? Because the effect of DDT. It means dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. Dichloro, diphenyl, dichloro. Yes, this ethane which has chlorine. This has big effect for different animals. DDT is still used till now in the world country. We said no, it's dangerous. It's proved in the world that progress come at a price. It make a poisonous, toxic. The chemical were released in the environment don't disappear. Stay for a long time. Can harm use for many years ago. DDT nowadays severely used, has harmed wildlife. It's harmful for everything. DDT. I think it is important word to tell me about dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane, DDT. I think it is important to tell me we have two benzyl ring. Both of them are joined together with Cl. Also, you have CH, Cl3 bond CH, two rings of the benzene that are joined together with dichloro. Fantastic and good. Look for this. Dichloro, diphenyl, trichloro. What? It's ethane. I like it. Also, I have a question for give reason. Take care for this. This question tell me the DDT has poisonous effect. This word, what's it mean? It means that the presence of group. Do you know what this group? Yeah, we have two rings of the benzene joined by the bond CHC, Cl3, which dissolves in the fatty tissue of the insects and they kill it. Yeah, this is the poisonous which kill living organisms. Now, you have other question for give reason. This question is especially to you. Look at this. DDT was manufactured in great extent in 1939 before the Second World War. Yeah, we know that. Do you think for what? The answer directly because of its severe poisonous on all kind of insects, not one type only, no, for the all, so it's used, which affect the plant, not the plant only, and the animal, and even the insects, which affected soldiers during the war. So kill plant, kill animal, kill soldiers, it's very dangerous. So DDT is not well, it's very bad. Now, you have the third question, also about give reason. DDT was called a ligest compound and prevented in the many developed countries. Oh, yes, it's prevented. We know it's poisonous, so we can say because it remains in the environment without decaying, it stays. This is staying, killing the useful insects as what? As the bees and goose with the rains. Rain kill it because it's dissolved, and the remains stays to the rivers and lakes and all kill the fish and the aquatic creatures. Oh, DDT is not preferred, so it has a bit dangerous. My lover, not all PCB. Do you know what this word mean? Yeah, polychlorinated biphenyl. Yeah, PCB. Look at this. When I say this, you must know it's prepared from the reaction of chlorine with what? With diphenyl. Now, you can see two rings, as you see for the benzene, are joined together with different number of chlorine and Cl2 in presence of Fe. My lover, you have a different enumeration, 24624. It means pentachlorodiphenyl. Look at the number for the benzene ring. You have 246 joined by chlorine, which are joined together, two rings of the benzene. Now, pentachlorodiphenyl. We have many uses in many industries, such as what? Adhesives, paints, plastic, ink, insecticides. Yes. Now, you can say because of their strong stability up. Yeah, this is stability in the degree of 800 degrees Celsius. And they are chemically inactive. Yes, back to stability, back to the activity. For this case, we have another question. When I ask if reason, polychlorinated diphenyl compounds are very dangerous also on the human health. Do you think why this also is very dangerous? We can say this is because they causes giant swelling. That disturbance in the liver, yeah, make distribution for the liver is very bad. Also, the function of the eye, in the same time, ear pain and deformity of the babies, deformation. So this is dangerous for all the human.
We have a good smell. We have a good odor. Our smell and odor, it's a fruity. I think you know this is fruity smell. Do you think what this means? This is ester.
Ester. I know this word, ester. It means good. Yes, good smell. We know the esters has many kinds. What are the kind of the esters? Kind of the esters has aliphatic esters. I know aliphatic back to our group. You remember? Good. Were the COO bond group. This COO is linked to two alkyl group. CH3, COO, C2H5. Two alkyl group are connected with, yes, ester group, COO. It's good. Also, aromatic ester. Aromatic back to the benzyl ring. This aromatic were the bond COO. Yes, I know it's ester group is linked to last to one aryl group. Aryl here, it means benzyl ring. It's good and wonderful. So you have now benzyl ring COO, CH3. It's easy. Aliphatic aromatic esters. Now, what are the occurrence for this? They are present in the all plant, all animals. Yes, materials. This is very important. Now, most of the esters are characterized by what? Pleasant smell, good smell, nice smell, which is responsible for what? For the odor and the flavor of fruits and the flower. So, ester, good smell. Ester, it means odor. My lover,
many organic esters have been prepared from where? From the commercial production of the perfumes. Yes, you know, because it has an odor. And what? And the flavor, and are used either alone or mixed with natural compounds to give nice smell or its special smell. The esters very important for what? The odor decreases by the increase of the molecule weight. Yeah, so you have inversely proportional decrease. Yes, by increasing what? The molecular weight for both of them of the alcohol and acid used in the formation. So you need the ester, get this rule. Alcohol, acid, give ester a water. I like it. Now, you have here the nature of the ester change from liquid with pleasant odor. All time we say that to waxy solid, which is a nearly odorless. So you have a pleasant smell? Good. No smell? Yes. Smell for ester, no smell for wax. For also, you have an example. This example is about waxers, such as what? Beeswax. We know beeswax is high molecular weight ester. Yes, very important. Fats and oil are ester. Yes, derived from what? Glycerol, which is trihydroxy alcohol and high fatty acids. So get any substance that contain esters. Now, what about nomenclature for the ester? The name? Yes, I know the name. This name derived from the name of acid radical and the name of alkyl group. Acid and alcohol. I need the ester. Catch this word. When you get of the alcohol as it's shown by the following example. The first, COOCH3, H in the beginning. This what? It's acid. With what? Methyl formate. Look, methyl formate. CH3, COO, CH2, CH3. What? Ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate. So, methyl, ethyl, methyl benzoate, all of them, they are good example. Tell me the ester. How can you know this is ester? Back to this word, COO. The following preparation of the ester. This preparation differs from one to another. As a beginning, look for this preparation. Esterification. Esterification? Yes, esterification. Esterification, it means here organic acid react with alcohol in the same presence of concentrated H2SO4, forming what? Forming ester and water. Easy. You must add H2SO4. Look at this. This is the acid. RC double bond OOH. Acid. Now plus HO bond R. It means alcohol. Now I need a bond between acid and alcohol. This in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to prevent a reversible reaction. You have an answer? Yes. C double bond OORR, ester. Also, you have a water. This reaction reversible. It means come back again. How can you stop it? Good. By using sulfuric acid. In the same time, you have acetic acid and ethanol. It's a good example. CH3COOH, it means acetic. But plus what? A plus HOC2H5, ethanol, OH group. What you have now? For this case, we have sulfuric acid. Prevent what? Reversible reaction. So, the answer here is to ethyl acetate ester. You have this, look, CH3, C double bond O, O, C2H5. This special formula for ester. Plus water. Now you have physical properties. The first one, directly we say member are volatile, colorless, liquid, which is the higher or waxy solid. We know that. This not all. Also, they give a fruity smell. We know odor, pleasant smell, and this smell decrease by increase of the molecular mass. Molecular mass increase? Yes. Smell decrease? Yes. Inversely proportional and vice versa. Now you have this give reason. This give reason especially for ester. Boiling point of the esters are less than that of acidic. Yes, less than the acids and the alcohol of similar molecular mass. We ask why? Why the boiling point is less? Directly we know, due to the absence of hydroxyl group. I know in normal ester that cause hydrogen bond, and so binding of molecule together. Very important to know that. In the same time, look at this table. This table you have the molecular weight. Molecular weight equal what? Equal 60. You have here acid. You have here alcohol. You have here ester. This, it's a difficult one. Look for this. For the first, you have acetic acid, CH3COOH. Alcohol, propanol, C3H7OH. Ester now, methyl formate, HCOOCH3. What else? You can catch it as the boiling point. Boiling point for the first one, it will 118 degree. This is acetic acid. What about alcohol? The same degree? Sure not. The degree will be 94.8 degree. It's less. Yes, we know. What about ester? The lowest one will be 31.8 degrees Celsius. So there is big difference between them. Also, in the same time, you have the molecular weight equal 74. Molecular weight 74? Yeah, look for this. C3H7COOH. Do you know what this means? Propanic acid. This propanic acid, but alcohol butanol. C4H9OH. What about the ester? The ester directly will be methyl acetate, CH3COOH3. It's a good table to differentiate between acid, alcohol, and ester. For the same time, you have boiling point. For the first one, propanic acid will be 141 degree. Oh, it's good. And the higher. What about this? 118 for the alcohol. It's lower. This butanol, it's less one. What about methyl acetate? Do you think higher or lower? Sure, it's lower, 57 degree. So the ester for boiling point for different type, different normals, different examples, lower than the other one. For the second one, you tell me about chemical properties. Chemical, yeah, the reactions here, it's back to the group of COOH. For this one, we have hydrolysis. Hydrolysis, take it and look. When you have a ester, a water, why we add water here? Water to see the hydrolysis. Ester plus water are C double bond OOH plus the water. Directly you have a what? This is reversible reaction. So acid and alcohol are formed again. We know acid, alcohol equal ester water. Ester water equal acid and alcohol. It's vice versa. For what? Look at this. Acidic hydrolysis. For the acidic hydrolysis, it means may take place by uses of dilute mineral acid. It's dial 1. As what? As a catalyst. You remember, is called the acid hydrolysis. So you catch it as CH3 COOC2H5. It's ester. Ester methyl ethyl. Plus what? Plus a water. This reversible reaction get one hydrogen. Now you have what? You have acetic acid, CH3COOH. In the same time will be C2H5OH, alcohol, acetic acid. It's good to obtain this type. Ester, ethyl, methyl. So give me acetic and alcohol. Good, wonderful. What about alkaline hydrolysis? It's good. Take it as what? Saponification. Yes, it means alkaline hydrolysis, as when you get the hydrolysis of the ester may also be carried out by heating. With what? With aqueous alkyls to produce what? To produce the alcohol and the salt of the acid. This is called alkaline hydrolysis or saponification. It's good to say that, saponification. For what? You have a soup. This soup, it means sodium salt of high carboxylic acid. This is the beginning for saponification. You have equation CH3COOC2H5, ethyl acetate or ester methyl ethyl, plus NaOH, caustic soda or sodium hydroxide. Now, by heat, directly the answer, sodium acetate. It means CH3COONA plus alcohol, C2H5OH. Good and wonderful. Not all for this. You have also benzene ring. We know it's C6H5. It means COOC2H5, ethyl benzoate plus sodium hydroxide. This case, in the presence of the heat, directly sodium benzoate. Benzene ring, COONA plus C2H5OH. It means alcohol. So from ester we can find alcohol and vice versa for the same time. Catch this. Look, ammonolysis. Ammonolysis, yes, we know. It means the reaction between ester and ammonia. We know ammonia and H3 to form acid acetamide and alcohol. How can be? This is by ethyl acetate, CH3COOC2H5 plus ammonia NH3. What's your answer? I have directly without heating. Acetamide NH2 will be obtained from the ammonia and give CH3CONH2. In the same time, you have C2H5OH. This is alcohol. Wonderful to obtain acetamide. For the other one, you have ethyl benzoate. Benzene ring, COOC2H5, or can be written as C6H5 plus ammonia. You need heat? No, there is no heat. But I have what? Benzamide. Acetamide aliphatic, benzamide aromatic. So C6H5CO and H2 plus alcohol for the same time. Good. What else? You have the important uses for esters in our life. Do you think, how can you find ester? How can you prepare ester? You use ester. Look for this. Ester as flavor. How? By ester are characterized by what? Pleasant smells. We said it many times. And the tastes. So they are used in what? In food industry. As what? As flavors. Now, you catch this following table. Show the common uses of some esters for reading only. Reading only? Yes, for reading only, but it's very important to know it. Look For this table, I have a table. For the first section, I have a ester. Second one, chemical formula. Last one, the order. Example number 1, we have isobutyl format. Isobutyl format, it means C double bond O, CH2, and in the beginning you have a H. Bonded to CH, CH3, CH3. It means what? Isobutyl. What its order? The order, it means be mulberry. Yes, it's mulberry here, a special one. What else? Oh, octyl. Octa it means 8. Octyl acetate will be 8. Carbon for here, CH3COO, CH2 by 4, CH3. It means octyl acetate. What about its odor? The odor here, orange one. It has a smell for the orange. For the other one, yes, I know. It's bentyl. Yes, propanate. Bentyl propanate. What is the formula? CH3, CH2, ester, COO, CH2 by 4, and CH3. Now, the odor, yes, it has a special one. What this? It means apricot. Yes, apricot one. Mulberry. This is isobutyl. Orange, octyl. Procket, it means bentyl. It's good to catch this odor. For the other examples, you have methyl butanate. Methyl butanate, it means this formula. As you see, CH3, CH2, all by 2. COO, CH3. This is special one. The odor here, it means apple. We know has a special smell for apple. So it's used for many places to give you a special odor. The odor of orange, odor of apple, odor of so on. Now, another one, ethyl butanate. Ethyl butanate gets this formula, CH3, CH2, all by 2, COO, CH2, CH3. This odor back to apple fruit. Yes, it's pineapple fruit. It's easy. Another one, yes, we have different one. What about benzyl acetate? Benzyl acetate, it means benzyl ring. Yes, we know. CH3, COO, CH2 with benzyl ring. This case give me jasminium one. Yeah, jasminium oil. It's a good smell, very important. So the ester give me different smells. For else, ester as fats and oil. Can be, sure can be. It means the fats and oil are ester produced from the reaction between acids and glycerols. Both of them. To give what? To give the fats. To give what? To give the oil. Let's see. For this, there is a molecules are called triglyceride. Tri, it means 3. Glyceride, glycerol. So, the answer for give reason. Look, fats and oil are called triglyceride. How can I answer this? Triglyceride? Yes, it means because each molecule is formed from the reaction of one molecule of glycerol. So we say it means glyceride. In the same time, you have trihydric alcohol. Trihydric, you remember, and the 3 molecules of fatty acid.
We arrived to the end. I think you understand the lesson well. Do you think it's easy lesson or difficult? Tell me. I'm waiting you to tell me what about this lesson. I think it's very easy and very important. I hope to see you soon. Thank you and goodbye.